You are going to love the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, center armrest, CD player. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.